TISAX Implementation and Training, presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Please contact us for any inquiry. Welcome everyone. In today's digital world, information has become one of the most valuable assets of every organization, especially in the automotive industry, where manufacturers, suppliers, engineering companies, software developers, and logistic providers continuously exchange confidential information. Protecting sensitive business data has become a strategic necessity. If your organization is working with automotive OEMs such as global vehicle manufacturers or tier 1 suppliers, you have probably heard about TISAX. But what exactly is TISAX? Why is it becoming mandatory across automotive supply chain? How can your organization successfully implement TISAX requirements? And how can professional training help your employees achieve compliance efficiently? Welcome to this comprehensive session on TISAX implementation and training, presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. During the next 25 to 30 minutes, we will explain everything you need to know about TISAX, its implementation process, benefits, training programs, and how URGS can help your organization become fully prepared. Let us begin. What is TISAX? TISAX stands for Trusted Information Security Assessment Exchange. It is the globally recognized assessment and exchange mechanism specifically developed for the automotive industry. As vehicle technology advances, organizations exchange enormous volumes of confidential information, including product designs, CAD drawings, engineering documents, prototype information, customer data, manufacturing processes, software source codes, research and development data. If this information is compromised, the financial losses and reputational damage can be enormous. TISAX provides a standardized framework to assess whether an organization has implemented appropriate information security controls. It is based primarily on the internationally accepted information security management principles while addressing automotive specific security requirements. Why TISAX is important? Today's automotive ecosystem is highly interconnected. Thousands of suppliers work together across different countries. Sensitive engineering information is exchanged daily. Cyber threats continue to increase. Customer expectations are becoming stricter. OEMs now require their suppliers to demonstrate robust information security practices before awarding projects. Without TISAX, many suppliers may find it difficult to qualify for new business opportunities. Organizations implementing TISAX enjoy numerous advantages: greater customer confidence, improved cyber security, reduced information leakage, enhanced business reputation, competitive advantage, international recognition, improved compliance culture, better risk management. In many cases, TISAX has become a business requirement rather than simply a certification objective. Who needs TISAX? TISAX is highly recommended for organizations involved in the automotive supply chain. These include automotive OEMs, Tier 1 suppliers, Tier 2 suppliers, Tier 3 suppliers, automotive component manufacturers, electronic manufacturers, software development companies, embedded system developers, automotive testing laboratories, design centers, engineering service providers, prototype manufacturers, battery manufacturers, electric vehicle manufacturers, autonomous vehicle developers, logistic companies, warehouse service providers, cloud service providers supporting automotive customers. Even organizations handling confidential engineering drawings may require TISAX implementation. Major objectives of TISAX. The primary objectives include protect confidential information, maintain data integrity, ensure information availability, manage information security risks, protect prototype vehicles, control physical security, secure IT infrastructure, strengthen supply chain security, improve business continuity, protect intellectual property, meet automotive customer expectations. These objectives collectively strengthen organizational resilience against cyber threats. TISAX assessment labels. Depending upon customer requirements, different assessment levels are available. Assessment level 1 mainly self-assessment. Assessment level 2 independent assessment with document verification. Assessment level 3 highest level involving detailed on-site verification. The required assessment level depends upon business sensitivity, customer requirements, prototype handling, data confidentiality, project criticality. Now, TISAX implementation process. Let us see this. Now, let us understand the complete implementation roadmap. Step 1 management commitment. Top management must support information security initiatives. Step 2 gap assessment. Existing systems are compared with TISAX requirements. Step 3 project planning. Implementation roadmap is prepared. Responsibilities are assigned. Step 4 then information asset identification. Critical information assets are identified. Step 5 risk assessment. Potential threats and vulnerabilities are evaluated. Step 6 risk treatment. Appropriate controls are implemented. Step 7 documentation, policies, procedures, risk registers, asset registers, incident management, asset control, business continuity plans, supplier security, employee awareness. Step 8 training. Employees receive awareness training. Internal auditors receive auditor training. Management receives leadership awareness. Step 9 internal audit. Compliance is verified. Corrective actions are implemented. Step 10 management review. Top management evaluates implementation effectiveness. Step 11 pre-assessment. Final readiness review before official assessment. Step 12 official TISAX assessment. Assessment is conducted by an authorized assessment provider. Now, common challenges. Organizations frequently face challenges such as lack of awareness, incomplete documentation, poor asset identification, weak risk assessment, insufficient employee training, supplier security gaps, physical security weaknesses, cyber security vulnerabilities, improper access controls, limited management involvement. These challenges can delay successful implementation. Professional guidance significantly simplifies the journey. Now, URGS TISAX services. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provides complete end-to-end implementation support. Our services include TISAX gap assessment, implementation consulting, risk assessment, information security documentation, policy development, procedure development, asset identification, risk register preparation, control implementation, employee awareness training, internal auditor training, management training, internal audits, corrective action support, pre-assessment, assessment readiness, controls improvement. Our experienced consultants work closely with organizations to ensure practical implementation aligned with customer expectations. Why choose URGS International now? Organizations choose URGS because we offer industry experienced consultants, practical implementation approach, customized documentation, hands-on training, cost-effective solutions, timely project completion, post-implementation support, global best practices, professional customer service, end-to-end guidance. Our objective is not only helping organizations prepare for assessments but also building a strong information security culture. Now, at last, closing. Information security is no longer optional. It has become a critical business requirement across the global automotive industry. TISAX helps organizations demonstrate trust, protect value information, strengthen customer relationships, and unlock new business opportunities. Whether your organization is beginning its information security journey or preparing for a TISAX assessment, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is your trusted implementation and training partner. For implementation support, corporate training, gap assessment, internal auditor training, and complete TISAX consulting services, contact us today. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Please contact us on WhatsApp for any query. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more professional content on ISO standards, automotive quality systems, information security, artificial intelligence, ESG, sustainability, compliance and corporate training. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting your organization's journey toward TISAX readiness and information security excellence. Thank you.